Hello again. So today's video is about Ninh Bình. It's located in northern part of Vietnam, if I'm not wrong, and it's not even very far from Hanoi. It's 100 kilometers. The city is definitely less traffic than the Hanoi. Anyway, I booked only single night stay here just to look around, you know. My main destination is Trang An. Trang An and Tam Cốc are the places where most travelers usually stay. This is what I heard, and I'm really excited for that. From the city, you all need to take a local bus. That's the cheapest option, and I highly recommend for that. If not, you can simply just grab a ride, you know, just look from a Grab Ride app. Trang An, it is more peaceful, you know, it's more surrounded by the nature, limestones, mountains, rivers, caves, and ancient temples. That's what I want. This boat ride is something I would definitely recommend you all. You know.
Người ta cắt lại cho bà bao nhiêu tiền? 200 à?
It slowly passes through limestone mountains, caves, rivers, lotus pond, and definitely some ancient temples. Well, sometimes you don't really need to say much. Just sit back and enjoy the view. Just nature, fresh air, and fresh food surroundings. This place is so calm. If you enjoy nature more than busy cities and overcrowded tourist spots, I think you'll really like Trang An. I personally feel 3 to 4 days are enough to explore the area, you know, without even rushing out. Renting scooter is one of the easiest way to explore the area, as it doesn't cost you a lot. If you're here for longer without any deadlines, you know, then renting a bicycle is smarter and an even cheaper option, and a great way to enjoy a peaceful surrounding area. Please check the description below for the transportation, accommodations, and boat ride tips. See you in the next video.